Hi, at ReasonLabs, we provide enterprise-grade protection for all your personal devices. Today, I'm going to guide you on how to use the extensions detection functionality on your online security extension for Chrome and Edge browsers. As you can see, the online security extension is installed on your browser, ensuring that your web browsing experience stays secure by actively detecting threats and monitoring your information for data leaks. Clicking on the extension icon will open the main screen of the online security extension. By the way, we recommend you to pin it so you can see your status at any time. To do it, just click on the pin icon. To use extensions detections on your online security extension, select Extensions Detection on the menu bar on the left side of the page. Online Security detects the extensions installed on your browser and identify harmful extensions that may be used to steal and sell personal information. Run malicious scripts in the background, degrade performance, and distort the way you experience the web. It allows you also to easily enable or disable any extension installed on your browser by just clicking the toggle on each one. If you have any issues during this process, please contact our support agents by clicking on the support widget, and they will be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and stay cyber safe.